And another way of getting a little bit of interesting groove into your drummings is actually using the groove pools over here. So what is the groove pool? The groove pool actually is a database of different grooves that allows you to control the velocities and actually the timing of your notes through predefined grooves. For example, if you go to the groove pool, you can, if you activate this over here, you can go here and like go to maybe Logic and take a Logic 16. I think Logic 1661 or 60 is always kind of interesting. I don't know. You need to figure out which one to use. So if you select one of those grooves, for example, they get loaded over here in the groove. Let me take this one out, and then you can like try to apply it over here and adjust quantize, timing, random, and velocity, and also the bass. You see how it already affects the timing. The timing changes if I put this up over here. Let's put on a random on very high levels. Sounds different every time we play it. Let's put on quantize. Didn't have such a big effect over here, but let's change the bass quickly. Let's leave it over here. Take down the timing a little bit, take the random out there. It depends a little bit on what you want, what you actually want to do. If you're satisfied with that kind of groove you found over here, you could commit it, and then you would see some things applied on your MIDI notes. So let's quickly undo what I did, and let's do something really crazy with the timing and the randomness, and commit again. Let's check out those notes over here and see how they are changing. Like the timing over here really changed, and over here as well. Like now those ones are a little early and this one is a little late. Anyways, I don't want to use that, so I'm undoing it with Command Z, and I'm going on without using those grooves. They're a good way of like using organic elements in your drumming, or something that sounds kind of like a real human being or something. Well, it's actually still applied. Let's take it out. Like I think you can hear that difference over here, for example. Now it doesn't have a groove applied, and when I select this one, does something else every time it goes by. So if you have any questions, just post them below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.